with the C Family channel. Today's video is all about right there. Linda got in the way. As you can see, Jaden's already started trying to explain what's going on. Well, Junior has a lot of Hot Wheels, and this is more than this. I just don't know where are they. We're gonna be trying out the toys of the Hot Wheels on those ramps to see where do they land. Basically here. Right there.
Let me show you an example.
Who's gonna start an example?
Me.
Okay, well.
Me.
And I'm eating the ices that I'm told you about. They are really good. Really, really good. I like the red ones more than the blue ones. But sometimes that's because the kids. This is the card with the toy came with. Let's try this one out first. Oh, wait. There's a police car already. Here we go. Didn't make it. Let's try it again. No bueno. Let's try the police car.
Yeah.
Did not make it. Let me see, somebody want to give that to me? We're going to try it one more time with the police car. Charger did not make it. I mean, the police did not make it. We're going to try another police car. Right here. Junior, go, hit it hard. Did not work. One more time.
Yeah, one more time.
Let's go, let's do it. Wait, bro, wait. Linda had put this car. Let's try it, Linda. It's a little, wait. Oh. Let's try it one more time. No way, no. Oh, we have more here. Let's try these out.
This one.
Let's try this van. Alright, who's gonna hit it? Oh, it's too big.
Oh no, can we try this red one? Yeah.
Go, Linda.
Let me see it.
My baby call my baby.
Go. Uh-oh. Did not make it.
That was too big.
That's the toy review. That's all his toys. He has a little bit of everything: police officers, monster trucks, Hot Wheels. My favorite one would be that one right there, the Ninja Turtle one. So, just keep on showing you. That one is really dirty. And the Batman wheel right there posted. Big truck.
Yes. I don't think you're gonna pick that up either.
Oh.
Comment below what is the best Hot Wheel you've seen so far in this video. Or monster truck. Monster trucks. The cars. Let me know if you like them. Alright, buddy. It's on though. We're gonna try the demonstration of the toy of a Hot Wheel with another Hot Wheel. Okay, here you go. Watch out, Junior. I don't want to hit you.
Okay.
Here we go. Here we go. Oh, try that one more time. One more time. One more time. This is for you guys. Wish good luck to you. Oh, no. Well, as you can see, it spins around and everything, but you don't get to reach the little. It's supposed to run like this and go like that, like a basketball hoop, basketball court. You know, you balance the ball and you shoot it. Yeah, but it's kind of hard. Keep on trying. For kids, I really highly recommend that. But I don't know. You know, nowadays, like I say, tablet's taking over. But I recommend that. Alright, everybody, we are about to head out to go buy some Yoshinoya because we're hungry, and the baby, the small baby's hungry too. El compa aquí me está llevando el purple, so check this out, guys. We just arriving to Yoshinoya. The order, just gotta wait. Check this out, huh? Bake car right here. If you do know what's a bake car, search it up on YouTube. I'm pretty sure it comes out. There's no one in the van. Literally no one. It's like probably somebody forgot it. But I know for a fact it's not that family in there because their vehicle's behind our vehicle.